Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You can see here 2012 Toyota Prius, and in this video I wanna give you heads up for replacing spark plugs. So this model has in the manual only one, it's a Denso, no more NGK. And here you can see the number, right? And regarding the spark plugs, you can see immediately that they are very thin and they are not standard spark plugs which you are normally seeing, right? These are the thin ones, and it's a 14mm range. Normal spark plug range is too big for it. Another thing is, if you look, what we pulled out is SC20 HR11, and that was superseded by SC16 HR11, which you can see here on the box. And that was one thing, but the main reason why I'm filming it is for you to get to the spark plugs. This is the craziness you will have to go through. Look what we had to remove to create a space to remove the spark plugs. So once again, 2012 Toyota Prius, this generation. Don't think that you will do this in 10 minutes and you will be ready to go. All of that had to be removed to gain access, because the clearance, there was so little clearance here. You can't pull out those ignition coils. They are long and they will not come out of the engine. So this is for you, really quick video, right? What you are looking at, the details about this job, and definitely have enough time to repair it. Thanks for watching, be subscribed. I have more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.